Hello, friends. Today in English lecture, we are going to learn from Standard 9 textbook, My English course book. Here, already we had seen the warming up activity of the poem, and today we are going to learn that poem in detail. Now, the name of the poem is Walk a Little Slower, Daddy. Walk a Little Slower is the name of the poem, the title of the poem. Now let's see the actual poem. First I will read for you. Walk a little slower. Walk a little slower, Daddy, said a little child so small. I am following in your footsteps and I don't want to fall. Sometimes your steps are very fast. Sometimes they are hard to see. So, walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Some day when I'm all grown up, you're what I want to be, then I'll have a little child who'll want to follow me. And I would want to lead just right and know that I was true. So, walk a little slower, Daddy, for I must follow you. This is the poem, and the poet of this poem is unknown. We are not given the name of the poet. इथे पोएटचं नाव दिलेलं नाही आहे, कवीचं नाव दिलेलं नाही आहे. सो हु इज द पोएट ऑफ दिस पोएम असा क्वेश्चन आला तर आपण त्या ठिकाणी काय लिहायचं आहे? द पोएट ऑफ दिस पोएम इज अननोन or anonymous you can write, but unknown is easy to write. Now turn to the poem in detail. Walk a little slower, Daddy. Daddy means who is talking in this poem? Obviously, the son is talking to his daddy. मुलगा आपल्या डॅडीला म्हणतोय, वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर डॅडी, said a child so small. The child was so small. But he said to his daddy, daddy means the daddy and the child is going outside somewhere. See the situation. Somewhere the child and his daddy is going out, but the daddy is pacing fast. Daddy जरा जोरात चालताय. So the child says, Daddy, I want to come with you. So walk a little slower. जरा हळू चला. I am following into your footsteps. मी तुमच्या पावलांवर पाऊल टाकत आहे. Footsteps. See the picture of the footsteps. These in this white color. See. These are the footsteps. The bigger one is of daddy and the smaller one is maybe of the child. So the child says that, Daddy, walk a little slower. I am not able to walk with you. मी तुमच्याबरोबर चालू शकत नाही. And I want to follow you, your footsteps. So if I start to follow you very fast, then I will fall. मी पडेल. जर मला तुमच्यासारखं जोरात चालता येत नाही आणि मी जर ट्राय केला तर आय विल फॉल. सो ही रिक्वेस्ट्स हिज डॅडी. तो आपल्या वडिलांना रिक्वेस्ट करतो. व्हॉट डज द चाइल्ड रिक्वेस्ट हिज डॅडी? काय रिक्वेस्ट करतो तो डॅडीला आपल्या? वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर, हळू चालण्याची विनंती करत आहे. हु इज टॉकिंग इन दिस पोएम? कोण बोलतोय या पोएममध्ये? द चाइल्ड इज टॉकिंग. द स्मॉल चाइल्ड इज टॉकिंग. whom the small child is talking. कोणाशी बोलत आहे? Daddy. Means there are two people in this poem, the child and his daddy. So in the first paragraph, the child requests his dad to walk slowly because he wants to follow his footsteps. So he don't want to fall. So walk a little slower. जरा हळू चाला. मला तुमच्याबरोबर यायचं आहे. तुमच्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवून पुढे यायचं आहे. जीवनामध्ये सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो आपण. सो इफ आय ट्राय टू कॅच यू, जर मी तुम्हाला जोरात चालून पकडण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, सोबत चालण्याचा प्रयत्न केला, तर व्हॉट विल हॅपन? द बॉय or that child will fall, and that child doesn't want to fall. So he says that I don't want to fall. मला खाली पडायचं नाही आहे. But I want to be with you. परंतु तुमच्या सोबत तर यायचं आहे. So better you walk little slower. म्हणून तुम्ही थोडं हळू चाला. Now turn to the next what we call stanza. But before that, see the first stanza. How many lines are there in the first stanza? 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the 4 lines in this stanza. In this stanza actually. So at the end of the second and the fourth line, we have the rhyming words, small and fall. Now turn to the next one, second paragraph, second stanza actually. Sometimes your footsteps are very fast. The child says to his dad, Daddy, your steps are very fast. I am not able to walk with you. I am not able to catch you because you are grown up and I am small. So better you slow down your speed. Sometimes they are hard to see. What the child says? Your footsteps are sometimes very fast and sometimes they are very hard to see. So because of these two reasons, the child cannot catch his dad, cannot walk with his dad. So he requests, so walk a little slower, Daddy, for you are leading me. Because you are leading me, you are ahead of me, and you are leading me means you are my role model and I am following you. You are the leader of my life and I want to follow you. So to understand me, please walk slowly, slow down your speed. Now see the second stanza. The second line in the second stanza and the last line means fourth line, these two lines rhyme with each other, see and me. Now see the next stanza of the poem. Someday when I am all grown up, means the child says to his father, someday means in future. When I am all grown up means as a child he is talking with you, with his father now, but he says that in future when I will be a grown up man, जेव्हा तो भविष्यामध्ये मोठा होईल, you are what I want to be. तुम्ही जे आज आहात तसं मला व्हायचं आहे. Then I will have a little child. माझ्याकडे सुद्धा एक छोटा बाळ असेल, who will want to follow me, की ज्याला माझ्या मागोमाग यायचं असेल, माझ्या पावलावर पाऊल ठेवायचं असेल. So here in the third stanza the poet says that, or the child says that, why he want to follow you means his dad. Grown up. What do you mean by grown up? Grown up means adult. Adult means प्रौढ व्यक्ती. सो वेन द चाइल्ड विल बी ग्रोन अप, जेव्हा ती मोठी व्यक्ती होईल, ग्रोन अप होईल, वयाने वाढेल, आणि त्यावेळेस यू आर व्हॉट टुडे आय वॉन्ट टू बी, ते मी भविष्यामध्ये होईल. अगेन आय विल हॅव द सेम चाइल्ड ॲज आय ॲम विथ यू, अँड दॅट चाइल्ड ऑल्सो वॉन्ट or will want to follow me. So I will be the role model and my child will be the follower. And today I am the follower and you are my leader. So I want to be with you. I want to follow you. So to learn that basic things, don't go so fast. Let me come with you. Now turn to the last stanza. And I would want to lead just right. What the boy want here? He want to lead just right. त्याला जीवनामध्ये जे जे योग्य आहे ते फॉलो करायचं आहे. ही वॉन्ट टू लीड, त्याला नेतृत्व करायचं आहे. सो वॉट एवर यू टॉट मी डॅड मीन्स वॉट एवर आय फॉलो यू डॅड, इट इज राईट. अँड इफ यू गो फास्ट, how can I learn all that right things? So he requests his dad and know what I was true, and I would want to lead just right means what is right, what is proper, what is good qualities. I just want to lead that. So I just want to follow it, and I know that I was true means he says that he is true, he is right to follow his dad, and he is right to learn all the good qualities from his dad. त्याला आपल्या वडिलांकडून जे काही शिकायचं आहे ते योग्यच आहे आणि त्यामध्ये तो सत्य आहे, त्यामध्ये त्याचं काहीही चुकत नाही आहे. सो ही वॉन्ट टू फॉलो हिज डॅड. त्याला ते सर्व वॉट एवर हिज डॅड हॅड लर्न from his father means the child's grandfather, the child also want to learn all that things through his father. So he says that I know it is true. So walk a little slower daddy, for I must follow you, because I must follow you. You had followed your dad and you learn all the good qualities. So I just want to do the same thing here. I want to learn the right things, and I know I am true here that I am learning the right things from you. तुमच्यापासून मी जे शिकतोय ते योग्यच आहे हे मला माहिती आहे, त्यामध्ये मी सत्यता वर्तवतो किंवा सत्य आहे ते. सो वॉक अ लिटिल स्लोअर डॅडी, म्हणून जरा हळू चाला. बिकॉज आय मस्ट फॉलो यू, मला तुम्हालाच फॉलो करायचं आहे. आय वॉन्ट टू be a follower of you. Whatever qualities which are useful for our life, I want to learn from you. मला तुम्हाला फॉलो करायचं आहे. मला जीवनामध्ये जे जे योग्य आहे ते तुमच्याकडे आहे. and I want all these things. Here we can say that the boy is taking all the, we call it Marathi sanskar, from his daddy. He want to copy all those good things वॉट एवर हिज डॅडी हॅज. वडिलांमध्ये ज्या ज्या चांगल्या गोष्टी आहेत तो त्या स्वीकारायच्या आहेत. सो ही वॉन्ट हिज डॅडी टू बी स्लो. डोंट गो फास्ट, अदरवाईज आय विल मिस ऑल दोज गुड क्वालिटीज. सो इट्स अ व्हेरी बेस्ट पोयम. द पोयम इज डिपिक्टिंग और शोईंग द चाइल्ड अँड द फादर रिलेशनशिप. And it's a true students that we learn from our elders, and our youngers will learn from us. So it's a cycle, we can say that it's a tradition. So here the boy is also, or the child is also following the same tradition. So it's a very best poem to learn all the things, the lesson for your life. You might have enjoyed this poem. So you will be given the assignment in the next video. So thank you. Bye bye.